Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Then let's tap on Backup and Reset and tap on Reset Phone. At the top we've got the option we're looking for, so just tap on it. So Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings and tap on Reset. Now your device will reset all of the data, and as you can see we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.